Welcome to our channel. On today's video I'll show you how you can make a meme from TikTok. So yeah, basically you can get the idea of meme from anywhere. So on the TikTok you can get like lots of, as you can see, lots of videos. Then there is still a chance you can pick lots of funny images out of those videos and make the meme out of it. But just be careful that let's not do that against someone's will or without asking anyone's permission. So that's the fair thing to do, I guess. So yeah, all right, so once you open the TikTok you can scroll the different types of videos. Suppose, yeah, you can do anything. Suppose if I'd like to make the video the meme out of these videos, what I'm going to do is, like, I'm gonna take the screenshot out of it. So in order to take the screenshot, just I'll hit that. All right, so yeah, the screenshot is taken. All right, so if I scroll it down, all right, so here's the dog video, right? So this is how it's created. All right, I'll take another one. Alright, so now I do have the funny images. The next step is I'm gonna use Photoshop and I'm gonna edit with perfect caption, perfect graphics, and then I can make the meme out of those. So the thing is, just don't do anything against anyone wills. Alright, so ask them for the permission. If they're okay, then you can just take this screenshot and then you can edit on Photoshop and then you can create a meme. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys.